Hi all, welcome to this channel on engineering education. Okay, so I just thought I will give some tip to the engineering education teachers. Okay, so some of you may want to contribute something to the engineering society. Okay, maybe the students who live in the um, a town or in small town or in small village, they may like to see the some of the MOOC courses in their own language, right? So in that situation, like you may contribute also, you may get paid also. Okay, so such kind of thing, contribution if you want to do. Okay, so you can uh, you can do that for the MOOC courses, which is sponsored by our Indian government. Okay, MHRD is sponsoring that. Okay, so uh, you can just go to translation https colon double slash translation dot act hyphen india.org. Okay, that is one of the website you can go. So there you can register as a translator or the quality checking validator. You can enroll there, and you can do the translation to your mother tongue. Okay, some of the languages like Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Punjabi, Assamese, okay, and Odia. Okay, like this Indian languages. Okay, state languages. You can convert to this if you are from these particular language speaking person, then you can convert the uh, discipline oriented. Okay, like computer science means from the computer science fee domain, whatever the courses are available, from that we can convert to translate to these languages, and we can contribute to this, and they will acknowledge our name in their website also. Okay, and you will get the honorarium also. Okay, the honorarium also good, like well paid. Okay, so whatever the effort we put, for that we are well paid. Even another one is there, you can go to https colon double slash nptl.ac.in slash translation slash. Okay, so you can go to this, and you can mm, mail them also. Okay, so if you see that there they have given the contact us, so they have given that is nptl hyphen text hyphen translation at nptl.iitm.ac.in. Okay, you can mail them expressing that to which language, from which domain. Okay, computer science and engineering or electrical and electronics engineering. Okay, so like that, which domain you are in, you can mention, and you can mail them. So if there are any opportunities for translation, if there are any subjects which are pending for translation, they will let you know, and you can become quality checker also. Okay, that option also there. Okay, already somebody might have translated, you will be reviewing it. Okay, it's very good work, you can do it. Okay, like one lecture translation per, like 1 hour lecture will be there, you have to translate it. So these kind of options are there. So you can do that, and you can contribute to the society, and you can get benefited also. Okay, so these are the two tips I just want to give. Okay, so for the MOOC courses, you can perform the translation, you can act as a translator or the quality check reviewer. Okay, and in this way we can contribute to our people. Okay, our students from whichever language you have come from. No, from Tamil speaking means I can contribute to the Tamil society. Okay, so like that we can contribute to our students community, and we'll get honorarium also for that. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel on engineering education. Thank you.